This laser cleaning equipment is specifically designed for mold maintenance applications. Featuring a fully enclosed cabinet integrated with high-grade laser-resistant glass, it effectively shields operators from hazardous laser radiation and volatile byproducts generated during the cleaning process. The automated lifting door incorporates an intelligent sensor system that automatically halts operations and triggers audible visual alerts when detecting improper handling, providing dual-layer personnel protection. A dedicated external smoke extraction and dust removal system maintains optimal cleanliness within the cabinet, ensuring stable equipment performance while prolonging operational lifespan. The innovative auto-adjusting optical path system adapts to various mold profiles through intelligent height adjustment during cleaning cycles. This precision mechanism enhances cleaning efficiency by up to 35%, while guaranteeing zero surface damage to molds, preserving their dimensional accuracy and structural integrity.